Yes.
Clear prop.
Alright, so most probably we're flying to Alpha Yankee Sierra via the OCF VOR, and they'll probably clear us direct on our way to OCF. And we'll pick up our flight plan, I would say, when we're off the ground and established, direct OCF.
Landing light is going to be on. Strobes are going to go on. Time note, brakes release. Not get there yet, but that's what I'm going to do when I get there. Am I close enough? Let's see. Apopka traffic, Cardinal 1183 Charlie is holding short of runway 33 for takeoff. Northwestbound departure, Apopka.
I will note the time off.
Apopka traffic, Cardinal 1183 Charlie is taking runway 33 for takeoff, northwestbound departure, Apopka.
Clear on final. Are you going to taxi down? Or are you going to take off? I mean, I don't care. Just asking.
If I do for you, I'm going to taxi down.
This will clear up, right? This stuff.
Maybe. We have two. I have a rag right here on the door, so it's not a big deal. Right here. I'm going to be there, though. It wasn't the tire pressure. Yeah, clearly.
Just do a stop.
Apopka traffic, Cardinal 1183 Charlie is taking a left turn to the 45-degree exit to the upwind from runway 33 at Apopka, final call on 2305, Apopka traffic. Now, the last time I tried to call, they told me to get bent until I got to Jacksonville, but for picking up IFR?
Yeah, no, they can't say anything to us.
Okay.
They're 135.3.
Yeah, 4 Papa Charlie, fighting 350. Del 2126, County Jack, full center on 126, correct, 135.45.
Orlando departure, Cardinal 1183 Charlie.
Cardinal 1183 Charlie, Orlando.
Orlando, Cardinal 1183 Charlie, we'd like to pick up our IFR to Alpha Yankee Sierra.
No, 1183 Charlie, maintain VFR score 5561.
5561 for 1183 Charlie, VFR.
Yeah, 304 Papa Charlie, turn additional 10 degrees to the left.
Probably because we didn't file earlier.
Area 3 Charlie, you ready to contact 2 northwest of Apopka Airport, sales 2?
2000, 83 Charlie.
Area 3 Charlie, roger, you're clear to the Alpha Yankee Sierra Airport via present position, direct Ocala, direct. Maintain 8000.
Clear to Alpha Yankee Sierra via Ocala and then direct, climb and maintain 8000, 1183 Charlie.
Alright, so direct Ocala.
Autopilot. No. Hold on. The 10 degrees to the right, what I want?
Area 3 Charlie, County Jack, full approach 118.6.
18.6 for 1183 Charlie, good day.
Got it.
Take care 5001, contact Jack, center 124.9.
That's not bad. Got it trimmed down.
Yeah.
Up to 8.
November 8459 Bravo, contact Jack Center 126.75, good flight.
Start to lean a little bit.
Yeah.
Jacksonville departure, Cardinal 1183 Charlie. 3000, climbing to 8000.
Cardinal 1183 Charlie, Jacksonville approach, good morning, the altimeter at Ocala, 2997.
997, 83 Charlie.
And I'll get you direct Waycross here shortly.
Thanks for that. Good morning, 83 Charlie. Fine tuning this thing here. This plane, like, it's wanting to like wobble. Yeah. Just pick a damn attitude, yo.
This is exactly what I imagined with my instrument rating. This is like what...
Because you just haven't really flown through clouds a lot, have you?
I flew through a lot in my training.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't like this, you know?
Gotcha.
I just...
And the freedom of knowing, like, yeah, there's no instructor here, there's no... It's you. It's your ass on the line.
off, master off.